What is a hydraulic symbol? In this study, I will talk about symbols used in hydraulic schematic. I will concentrate on schematics, hydraulic schematic, how to read hydraulic schematic. Main objective is to show the operation of hydraulic system and also the function of the hydraulic symbols involved in. For more information about this training program, check my website hydraulictroubleshooter.com on the dedicated page named Training Cloud. I remember the days when I was at the beginning of my career trying to understand the hydraulic schematic, which consists of a number of symbols linked together by lines. In practical view, the lines represent tubing or pipework. I had many questions about schematics and still have, but the beginning was difficult. Looking answers everywhere, trying to see through schematic lines and symbols the function of hydraulic equipment. Symbols are the starting point of learning hydraulic diagram. To investigate the function of a machine, we need a diagram. In order to make a hydraulic schematic understandable, every device of the equipment is represented by a symbol. To ensure that everyone can read the symbols, the standards used are internationally recognized. The symbol represents a specific function, not the actual dimension, technical design, or manufacture of the device. Generally, a symbol represents a single component and a specific function. For example, a check valve is a component whose job is to ensure that fluid only flows through the pipe in one direction and never in the other. In a future study, I will talk about check valve and pilot-operated check valve and explain more about their functions. The reason studying symbols is to be able to understand the hydraulic schematics. This is necessary to be able to identify in a hydraulic system a malfunction. In addition, when troubleshooting of a machine is carried out, to identify a broken component which can lead to system malfunction. For an easy studying symbol, I would say that it needs to work practically and looking symbols for each component that you come across during your daily work. From my point of view, this table of symbols I recommend learning first. The space in front of symbol allows naming it. The most common hydraulic symbols will be attached to course material. I will summarize the important aspects of what is a hydraulic symbol course. First aspect. Symbols are the starting point of studying hydraulic diagram. Second one. Hydraulic schematic consists of a number of linked symbols. Symbols represent a single component and a specific function. And the last one, when a machine malfunctions, identify the function which is not working and will be obvious which component is causing trouble. For more information about this training program, check my website hydraulictroubleshooter.com on the dedicated page named Training Cloud.